Hello, friends. It's Wednesday, midday, and this is the time of day where I think there's some value to show people who are looking for ideas using trade ideas. And here, let me show you how simple it can be to simulate a trade. So step number one, we're looking through our races. All right, the races have identified EUDA. It's been on the top of the leaderboard here. Never would have known about this stock unless this auto-generated watch list was created for me. Now comes midday, and I see on the 15-minute chart a lot of volume, a nice push early, but it's now falling back into my favorite zone, which is the 10 SMA on a 15-minute chart. So this is an interesting place to buy. And if you're wrong very small. It's a paper cut. If you're right, we get a nice bounce in a day trade into the close. So here's what we do. And again, this is a simulated trade. If you're a new trader, you should be using this. Even if you're an experienced trader looking to retool, you should be using this. Watch how simple this is. I'm going to grab this buy button, click. Now I have my price point. I'm going to just drop the order right there. I'm going to open the order a little bit more and see if I can get a quick fill here on the price around 211 of EUDA. And again, this is a simulated buy. Okay, and there is the simulated purchase. So from here, notice that we've got my stop loss indicator down here. I can adjust this accordingly, up or down, and the profit and loss will additionally calculate. On top of that, there's no need to go to any other windows. I can see exactly how many shares I hear, what the price is, and what my current P&L is. All from the simple order management of the chart window. So I hope this makes sense to you. Only Trade Ideas has this. Info at trade-ideas.com if you have any questions. We'll come back to this trade and see how it works out later in the day, so stay tuned.